FormSketch is one of the world's coolest drawing tools, enabling you to create incredible sketches, floor plans, diagrams, and whatever else you can imagine. Let's take a tour and explore some of the awesome features. Designed for use on any device, computer, tablet, or mobile phone. It's super flexible, meaning all tools and menus are optimized for all device sizes. Upon opening, you'll immediately notice 3 toolbars: the control panel at the top, the toolbar located below, and the hamburger menu in the top left. The control bar is packed full of useful features. Let's take a quick look at the most popular tools to be aware of from the start. The Select tool enables you to select an individual item to work on or edit. The Hand tool is what you use to disable the other tools and enable you to move around your sketch without impacting your sketch. The Eraser lets you swipe through any item that you want to remove. Simply click and swipe and it's gone. The Undo-Redo tool can be a lifesaver. If you make a mistake, simply undo to recover where you were. Lastly, we have the Pages tab. With Pages, you can expand your sketch into separate sections. For example, if you are working on a multi-story building, you can create a separate page for each floor as part of the same sketch. Adding a new page is easy. Start by selecting the Page drop-down and then selecting the Add button. This will create a new page. You can rename your pages by highlighting them and editing the name. If you want to create a duplication of a page, which might save a whole lot of time, instead of selecting the Add button, select the 3-dot menu and then select Duplicate from the menu. You can also reorder your pages using the Move Up or Move Down options. The indicators on the left show you which page you are currently viewing. It's as simple as that. The top left hamburger menu contains a range of extra options, including export options and versions. Versions works in a really similar way to Pages. A good example of how to use versions is, let's say you are working on a job with 2 different stages. In this example, version 1 is a sketch of the floor plan at the first pre-treatment stage showing the location of the pests, which we added using our icon tool. When we return to the job to do the work, we want to keep a clear record of what was done at each stage. So instead of starting your sketch from the beginning each time, you simply create a new version. To create the second stage, we copy version 1 to create version 2, and then we name it. In this example, we've called it Treated. We then edit the treated stage to show the work done, in this case showing all the pests have been treated. Each version is saved so you have an amazing version history of the work completed as a staged record. If you have multiple pages in your sketch, all the pages will be copied across into your new version. So cool and such a massive time saver. Okay, jumping to the bottom now, this is where it all happens. The toolbar is made for jacks of all trades, but so user-friendly it suits both pros and beginners alike. It features tools like Drawing Tool, handy for freehand sketching. Lines, easily draw lines or graphs and attach text to them if needed. Shapes. Arrows that draw attention to particular areas. Notes. Text tool. Icon packs for quick identification and also the upload button. This enables you to upload an existing image, Google Map or a photo or whatever you like, add it to your sketchboard and get creative. The floor planner enables you to add walls, external, internal walls, partition walls, plus windows and doors. By simply clicking, dragging and releasing, you can also add icons from the icon library. Simply search your icon sets and then click to position on the plan. The Smart Legend will automatically create for you, showing not only the icons that have been added, but it counts them for you too. You can then add any text, notes, photos, or images you like to complete the most awesome floor plan. You can begin your sketch in the office on your computer, add more details on your mobile device while on site, and then finish it later back at the office or from home. So how do you think you'll use FormSketch? There is more to explore, but we'll leave that with you to enjoy. Thanks for touring with me, and I'll see you next time.